Okay, just imagine this for a second. A man in Noida is at a local shop. He makes a small UPI payment, just a couple hundred rupees. Totally normal, right? Something we all do every day. But then, just 2 minutes later, he gets a notification. 67,000 rupees. Poof, gone from his account. Now here's the part that'll really get you. He did everything right. He didn't click on some shady link. He didn't give his OTP to anyone over the phone. And still, in the blink of an eye, the money was just gone. So you have to ask, how in the world is that even possible? And, way more importantly, how do you make absolutely sure this never, ever happens to you? Let's break it all down. Look, what I'm about to walk you through, these aren't just some made-up theories from a textbook. These are 5 of the most clever, most dangerous scams happening to real people right now. First up is scam number 1, the QR code swap. And believe it or not, this is the exact scam that got that guy in Noida. It's actually kind of genius in a terrible way. A scammer just prints out their own QR code on a little sticker and slaps it right on top of the real one at a shop. So you think you're paying the chaiwala or the pharmacy, but nope, your money is going straight into the scammer's pocket. You see this a lot in really busy places where a little sticker just blends right in. And you know what? The fix is just as simple. Before you even think about putting in your PIN, every single UPI app, whether it's PhonePe, GPay, whatever, shows you the name of the person you're paying. If that name doesn't match the shop you're standing in, just cancel the payment. It's that easy. All right, let's move on to scam number 2. And this one's a bit more high-tech. It's called the screen mirroring attack. Sounds complicated, but it's dangerously simple to fall for. So here's how it goes down. You get a call. The person on the other end sounds super professional, says they're from your bank. They'll tell you there's some urgent problem with your account. But don't worry, they can fix it. All you have to do is download a support app like AnyDesk or TeamViewer. The second you do that, it's game over. They can see your entire phone screen live. Every password you type, every OTP that comes in, they see it all. Let me be crystal clear about this. There are absolutely no exceptions to this rule. No real bank, no legitimate company is ever going to ask you to download an app to give them remote access to your phone. If you hear those words, you know for a fact it's a scam. Just hang up. Okay, scam number 3. This one is all about playing tricks on your eyes. It's the fake UPI handle trick. Just look at this. On the left, a real UPI handle ending with the letter L. On the right, a fake one ending with the number 1. I mean, come on a small phone screen, who's going to notice the difference? Scammers create these lookalike accounts and then send you payment requests, maybe pretending to be a friend who needs cash fast. The only way to beat this is to just slow down. Take an extra 2 seconds, read every single letter and number in that UPI handle, and then double-check the registered name that pops up. If something looks even a little bit off, just stop. Now this next one. This one is seriously sneaky because it works completely in the background. It's called OTP forwarding through app permissions. This is basically a digital Trojan horse. You download some random app, maybe a cool photo filter or a battery saver. It asks for permission to read your text messages, and it sounds helpful, right? It says it's for auto-filling OTPs. But the moment you tap allow, that app starts secretly sending a copy of every single SMS you get, including all your bank OTPs, to the scammer. I'm serious. Go into your phone settings later and check which apps can read your messages. If it's not an app you trust, turn that permission off. And finally, we have scam number 5, which might just be the most common one of all, especially for our parents and grandparents. It's the fake KYC call. The call always starts with pure panic. They'll tell you your account is about to be blocked, maybe even by midnight. And the only way to stop it is to update your KYC details with them, right here, right now, on this call. They create this false urgency to make you act without thinking. But here's the simple truth. Your OTP is the key to your bank account. You don't give that to anyone, period. And your bank will never, ever do a KYC update over an unsolicited phone call. That's just not how it works. Okay, that was a lot of scary stuff, I know. But here's the good news. Protecting yourself really just comes down to 3 very simple habits. This is your 3-step protection plan. If you remember nothing else, just burn these 3 things into your brain. 1, always verify the name on the screen. 2,
Never, ever download an app because someone on the phone told you to. And 3, your OTP is for your eyes only. That's it. These 3 habits are your shield. They'll protect you from pretty much everything we've talked about.
But okay, what if the worst does happen? What if you realize you've been scammed? The most important thing is to act fast, immediately. The first number you call is this one, 1930. That's the National Cybercrime Helpline. Tell them what happened right away. Your very next call, that's to your bank. Tell them to freeze your account to stop any more money from going out. And this brings me to a really crucial point. This information, it isn't just for you. It's for your parents, your aunts and uncles, your friends who are maybe new to all this digital payment stuff. They're the ones who are most at risk. So I want to leave you with this question. Have you or has anyone you know ever had a close call or even fallen for a scam like this? Because sharing these stories, talking about them, that's how we look out for each other. One person's bad experience can be the warning that saves someone else.